Good mid-afternoon, 2:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Monday, September 19th, 2022, here on the East Coast in the great state of Michigan. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and we're watching XRP, or I'm watching XRP. When we did the morning update today, we talked about if it could get up past 36.24, then we could try to make a push back up to this 38 cents. And then I talked about this overextension here, which is not impossible to come up to. And that's our line. If you're asking me if we think we can finish off an inverted head and shoulders of any kind, you've got to get over that. You've got to get over this, because then that would get us to the top side. You could break this 39.82 or 40 cent roughly, and then you could make a push up further. As of right now, this is just a retest on the way back up. So I don't know exactly what everybody wants me to say at this point. We need to break levels, then validate it for me one way or the other so we can figure this out, so we can take a short-term ride here. Thursday is going to end up being the rate hikes. And XRP seems to be, well, we already know it's manipulated, but these pushes back and forth here, what it looks like to me is they're liquidating the longs and shorts. And I said the other day, I suggest sitting on the sidelines, even if you're trying to leverage trade, unless you're a gambler at heart or you're a pro at this, because they're going to liquidate each way. And that's exactly what's happened. Now, we broke this parabolic uptrend that goes back, for anybody who's new, and this uptrend right here I'm talking about, that uptrending arrow. September 16th we started it. Well, we broke to the bottom side. So now to verify that we're going to get rejected, now you have to come almost, you could come all the way back up here, honestly. You really could. And that would put you at about 40 cents. Now we're looking at this overwhelming spot right here at 38 and change. But we have, for the immediate short term, pop back over this. Now, can we stay over? Can we use this as a support structure here and work our way up? It's a few more percent from here, too. That's why I'm pointing this out. That's another like 6.5%. Now, did we get volume? Yeah, I'd say we got a little bit of volume on the way up. Like, we got some volume coming in. So at least you can check the box there, as there's been a little bit of volume here in these last 3 30-minute candles at least. What scares me is if we don't break this area, if you're trying to go long right now. Because I have no problem going long and trying to ride this inverted head and shoulders out, but it has to break the level. Just like I had no problem riding the short, it has to break the proper levels though. So if XRP can prove to me that it's not going to have a mountaintop here, and that it won't just break down like this, and it can actually get to the top side, and this is in the USD Ripple chart on Binance, XRP USD Ripple. And then it broke down. It's got to prove to me that it's not just doing a Batman top here on a cup and handle that will fail. That's what I'm watching out for. And if we go from the XRP USD chart to the USD perpetual chart on Binance, on BitGet, you can see we haven't even come up to this layer yet at approximately 38.67. So that hasn't even been retested. So, and then if you want to play this out into the future, if it were to break this, you still have this uptrend that it could come back and retest. But that would be if it broke the structure, and that's kind of like your plus minus area. That's what I look at it as. Because then if you break that, the key to this is, then you would get up here and hold that. That means you would break this double top formation at least and get out of the area, instead of just coming down like this. So that's on the USDT chart with BitGet. And then the perpetuals future chart on BitGet, and now the USDT spot chart on BitGet. We've come over just a little bit on this formation here, and that was at about 38.22. The top formation up here is 39.79. So all of it's within the area of about 40 cents. Give it a little bit here or there, depending on if you're in the USDT, the perpetuals, or the USD chart. I mean, you can almost look at it like this right here, but that would be like, okay, well, we're going to take it from here, hit that first part of the uptrend, and just keep going from there. I mean, that's how I would do this. Now that we can see what's going on, we broke the uptrend. Now let's see a back test. If you get above here at about 39,159, You can break 39.76. Sorry, there was just like, I don't know if that was an actual accident or if the guy got out of the way, but I know you guys heard that. Somebody ran the red light right here. So the uptrend is at 39.14 approximately on the USDT perpetual, or the USDT spot chart on BitGet. So that's what I'm looking at. So we're in a very critical area, because if we form a double top here, this would be a huge short opportunity here again. But if we break out, this could present a very big long opportunity, because then this inverted head and shoulders that I've been talking about for, I feel like, months. And if you watch all my updates, I continuously talk about we haven't invalidated this inverted head and shoulders, which is why the April 17, 2017 5.5-year trend line is so important to me on the USD